Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Gede Aprilia Sena. You can call me Sena. NPM 23411169, kelas MNJ 23C. Baik, di sini saya akan menjelaskan materi statistika yang berjudul Understanding and Use of Statistics. Definition of Statistics. Statistics is the science that studies methods for collecting, analyzing, interpreting, and presenting data. Statistics provides methods and tools to draw conclusions from existing data and is used decision making based on empirical evidence. Next, official definition of statistics. Number 1, definition from the American Statistical Association, ASA. Statistics is the science of learning from data and of measuring, controlling, and communicating uncertainty. It is the science of making effective use of numerical data relating to a group of individual or experiments. Number 2, definition from the Merriam-Webster Dictionary. Statistics is a branch of mathematics dealing with the collection, analysis, interpretation, and presentation of measures of numerical data. Number 3, definition from the Oxford English Dictionary. Statistics is the practice or science of collecting and analyzing numerical data in large quantities, especially for the purpose of entering proportion in a word from those in a representative sample. Next, here are the objectives of statistics. Number 1, data organization and summarization. Statistics aims to organize and summarize data in a way that is understandable and useful. Number 2, understanding data, patterns and trends. By analyzing data, statistics help to uncover patterns, trends, and relationship within the data. Number 3, making prediction and inference. Statistics allow for drawing conclusions about a population based on data from a sample, facilitating prediction and inference. Number 4, supporting decision making. Statistics provide a data-based foundation for making informed decisions in various fields such as business, healthcare, economics, and education. Number 5, measuring and communicating uncertainty. By calculating probabilities and margin of error, statistics help quantify uncertainty, providing a clear picture of confidence in data. Number 6, testing hypothesis. Statistics is used to test hypotheses and validate assumptions, allowing research to confirm or reject theories based on empirical evidence. Next, type of statistics. Number 1, descriptive statistics. Descriptive statistics involve summarizing and organizing data in a way that provides an overview of the data set. It includes measures such as mean, median, mode, ranks, variance, and standard deviation. The statistics are used to describe the main feature of a collection of data quantitatively. Number 2, inferential statistics. Inferential statistics involves making prediction or inference about large population based on data collected from a sample. It includes techniques like hypothesis testing, confidence interval, and regression analysis. Inferential statistics used to draw conclusion, estimate parameter, and test hypotheses to generalize finding beyond the sample data. Number 3, predictive statistics. Predictive statistics focuses on analyzing past data to make future predictions. It often incorporates techniques like regression model, time series analysis, and machine learning algorithm. Predictive statistics is widely used in fields like finance, marketing, and risk assessment. Number 4, exploratory data analysis, EDA. EDA is a statistical approach used to analyze data sets to discover patterns, spot anomalies, and test hypotheses. EDA use visualization such as histogram, scatter plots, and box plot helping research understand the data structure and guide further analysis. Next, use of statistical in everyday life. Number 1, personal finance management. People use statistics to budget and manage personal finance by tracking expense, analysis, spending patterns, and making financial decisions based on historical data. Number 2, health and medicine. In healthcare, statistics are used to track health trends, assess risks, and support medical research. For example, statistics help in determining the effectiveness of new treatment or in understanding the spread of disease. Number 3, weather forecasting. Meteorologists use statistical data from past weather patterns to predict future weather. Statistical models help forecast rain, temperature change, and weather conditions help people plan daily activities. Number 5, education. School and educators use statistics to analyze student perform, identify learning trends, and improve curriculum design. Statistics also help in standardizing assessment and tracking academic progress. Number 6, public policy and government. Government use statistics in planning public service, conducting conquest, and making policy decisions based on population needs. For example, demographic data help allocate resources for healthcare, education, and infrastructure. Number 7, business and marketing. Business use statistics to analyze consumer behavior, evaluate market trends, and make strategic decisions. Marketing teams use statistical data to understand customer preference and improve targeting in advertisement. Next, benefit of studying statistics. Number 1, informed decision making. Statistics equip individuals with the skill to analyze data, enabling them to make well-informed decisions based on evidence rather than assumption. Number 2, critical thinking and analysis skill. Studying statistics enhances critical thinking by teaching how to approach problems logically and evaluate information with a data-driven mindset. Number 3, data interpretation and insight. With statistical knowledge, individual can interpret complex data, uncover trends, and drive meaningful insight that can be applied in various fields. Number 4, practical application in various fields. Statistics is widely applicable across disciplines from healthcare and economic to marketing and education. Understanding statistics allows individuals to contribute meaningfully to their field. Number 5, finding uncertainty. Statistics provide tools to measure and communicate intelligently, helping individuals ask risk and understand the likelihood of various outcomes. Number 6, supporting research and innovation. In research, statistics is essential for design studies, analyzing results, and validating findings. It contributes to innovate by helping verify new theories and solutions. Next, the role of statistics in the data era. Number 1, foundation of data science and machine learning. Statistics from the backbone of data science and machine learning by providing essential methods for analyzing, interpreting, and modeling data. Statistical techniques are crucial for training model, assessing accuracy, and improving practical power. Number 2, data-driven decision making. In the era of big data, statistics empower organizations to make data-driven decisions by analyzing vast amount of data. Companies and institutions can understand trends, optimize strategies, and map informed costs. Number 3, managing and interpreting big data. As the volume of data grows, statistics provide the tool to filter, summarize, and interpret large data sets, transforming raw data into actionable insights that can drive innovation and improvement. Number 4, risk assessment and certainty measurement. Statistics is essential for quantifying risk and understanding uncertainty, helping business and policymakers navigate the complexity of decision with a clear understanding of potential outcome and probabilities. Number 5, personalized solution and recommendation. With statistical algorithm, companies can create personalized recommendations such as a product suggestion in e-commerce or content recommendation in streaming service by analyzing individual user data pattern. Number 6, ensuring data integrity and validation. Statistics help ensure the accuracy and reliability of data by detecting outliers, reducing biases, and validating results. It's essential for maintaining data quality and large-scale analysis. Conclusion: in today's data-driven world, statistics has become an essential tool for transforming data into valuable insight. By providing methods to analyze, interpret, and validate data, statistics enable informed decision-making, support innovation, and help individuals and organizations manage uncertainty effectively. Its applications span across fields such as business, healthcare, technology, and public policy, making statistics fundamental in shaping strategies and solutions in the era big data. As data continues to grow in volume and importance, the role of statistics will only become more crucial, empowering society to make better, evidence-based decisions for the future. Sekian video penjelasan saya. Saya ucapkan terima kasih.